Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to the show today. Russell here, aka Medic Magic. We're going to be talking about the ways that you can be a better Facebook Marketplace seller. All right, guys, so if you are looking to sell some stuff on Facebook Marketplace, you've come to the right video. We're going to give you the top 3 tips that I've learned over selling on Facebook Marketplace for the last couple of years, making some decent extra cash. So let's just jump right into it. All right, so number one, we're going to talk about pricing and the reason why you need to have your price set dynamically. And what I mean about that is you have to think into the future what people are going to be offering you and what people are going to feel like they're getting a good deal for. And most of their products that you're going to be selling are going to have a set value, but there's always the amount of perceived value that the buyer is going to have. So say if you want to get $350 for an item, so that's like your bottom dollar. You list it for $400 and somebody says, hey, I'll give you $350. And they think to themselves, man, I'm getting $50 off. You say, sure, let's do it. Instantaneously, they're going to think to themselves, man, I'm getting a really good deal, got 50 bucks off, let's make this happen. Now, on the flip side of that, you might also get somebody that says, hey, I'll give you $300 for it. You have it listed for $400, you say, you know what, let's meet in the middle, $350 it is. Then again, boom. You got to get inside these guys' heads and make them realize or make them think they're getting a good deal. Now, some of you guys are going to think that's a little bit deceiving, but it is what it is, and it's all about psychology. All right, so the number 2 thing I'm going to say, guys, is you have to be super detailed in your description. You're going to get a lot of people that, one, don't really want to buy something. They think they do, and they don't have the money, number 2. So they're going to waste your time, and they're going to hit you up and say, hey, is this still in it? Do you still have this? You're going to say yes, and then nothing. But whenever you get those bites that people actually are interested in, they're going to want to see as much detail in the description because that's going to save you time when it comes to sitting there and asking questions. If you can answer all these questions before they get asked, you might have 10 people interested that are going to ask these same 10 questions. If you're not being pertinent with that and answering those questions with those people, they're not going to want to buy from you. But if you can answer those questions that you think that they might already have in your description, it's going to save you a lot of time. People can already get the information that they want to know. The number 3 and final tip I can tell you guys is when you do have somebody on the hook and they want to buy, buying for people is usually an emotional decision. They usually get excited about something and it's a split-second decision. They say, man, I want this, If people are saying like, I'll wait till tomorrow, 50-50 shot, they're probably not going to buy from you. And I've had a lot of people say like, if they were going to come drive to my house, it's a little far. Boom, you got to hit them, meet you halfway. I don't know, I got the kids, whatever. Find out how far they are away and drive to them. If you're not going to spend too much money on gas, you got to hit while the, how's that saying go? When the hammer's hot, hit while the iron's hot. But it's just like car sales. Car salesmen know if you get up and you leave and you say, hey, I'm going to think about this, the chance of you coming back is so slim. It's so slim that you need to strike quickly. Now, again, this is all just a mentality thing. Just recently, I've had a lot of people interested in things. Hey, I'll meet you a day or 2 from now. Never hear from them again. Multiple messages sending back to them. Hey, you still interested? Hey, I still got this, blah, blah, blah. Take a little bit more money off if you're on the fence. Nothing. It takes away a little bit of the profit with gas and time and whatever. But meeting people and accommodating people quickly is very, very important to sales. And it's going to be, it's going to lead to you making a lot more money. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. We'll see you in the next one. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. Hit that like button, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.